Just bought this lifetime tamarack 100 kayak on Facebook. It was $175. I think this retails brand new is like $2.99. It's 10 feet long, I think 30-inch wide. Max capacity is 275. Has a front handle, front bungee cords, comes with a paddle, center hatch, comes with a rod holder, 2 side handles for carrying it, small cushion seat, back hatch, back bungee cords, a back handle, weighs I think like 50 pounds. 50 pounds, pretty light. Here's how the bottom looks like. This should help keeping the kayak tracking straight. And then the nose is kind of sharp to cut through the water. But this is it. I'm gonna use it for inshore flats and small ponds and rivers. Nice little kayak.